I heard you were paying attention to Sister Dinesh. No, I'm not. I'm not listening. Just ask Jen if I'm listening. Just ask her if I'm paying attention. I'm always sleeping when I'm at school.
She's always gossiping. Just gossiping. Don't listen to her.
Yes, I'm listening.
Listening the gossip of Karen.
Wow, thank you, Nikos. No, I'm listening, of course. Oh my goodness. Don't believe Jen. I'm listening in the classroom yesterday. And I was absent in the afternoon. Just ask Jen. Just ask Jen Rambo.
Magandang dilag.
I'm gonna be a new teacher.
I will kill my sister.
Yes, I'm listening. Jen is not listening. She's not paying attention. Wow. Thank you, Nekos. Oh, we have Boodle fight. What kind of boodle fight is this? What kind of boodle fight is this?
Budol fight.
Oh, Jen,
Or
was Mayang
version.
listening? Oh.
No, she's not.
No, I am.
She never. Never ever. She just copy from me.
Hi! Hi!
She's
I'm
copying my answer.
At least, I'm not copying your name. One time, she just copied my name. She write my name in her paper. Oh my goodness. Even my name. I'm listening. Of course. I have...
She never listened.
No, that's not true.
I don't know if we can pass the assessment.
Yes,
We
I
learn
can.
nothing.
Yes, I can.
We just know how to make lukong.
Yes, I can pass. Let's see if we can pass. Sa mo na itlog?
Yep.
Para lain?
Nope.
We're having boodle fight, guys. But our olam is fish. Look at the fish. Look at the fish, guys. It's so small.
Ano? Ito lang ito yung subukin. Mag-fight mo po siguro sa dito. Magandang dilag. Hi everybody! Good morning! Hi Melvin! Good morning!
Nothing na.
Sugas ka rin. Di mo nga?
Let's eat. Say hi to your sister, both looking great. Hi, sister daw. Oh.
Hello! Hola!
It's
Hola,
Nikos. Nekos.
Budol.
It's Jen. Her name is Jen. Hi daw.
Hello! Kasi na siya?
Nikos. Life here.
Let's go. Oo nga.